turn your way. Here, bub. There you go. Miss Kayla, would you like me to turn it for you, sweet girl? Okay, there you go, sweetheart. Oh, go for it. You can do it, bud. Remember, you back up and turn. Let me help you, sweetheart. Come here. Oh, here you go. What you doing, Kayla?